So one of the barriers people face in going vegan is that they don't know what to use in their cooking instead of animal product. My name is Dr. Minal, and with some simple switches, I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty burger and chips. This version has a lower carbon footprint, it's better for the planet and better for your health. Perfect. Check out the link below and download the Vegan Size free Plate Up for the Planet ebook, where it's full of veganized recipes, ideas, products, and blogs to get you started.